Hi guys, I'm Rhiannon and today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in a couple of videos, so I decided to bring one back. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup tutorial. Well, not every day, because most days I'm really not wearing makeup. So I will wear this like very simple makeup look whenever I am going out to dinner or just going out and running errands, just to jazz it up a little. So I decided to show you guys today. Also, sorry for like this little mismatch with the crates. I could only hang up one crate because the other crate didn't have room in between like the little wood pallets, I guess you can say, to put nails in it. So I had to figure out how to like maybe drill it in. So maybe it will be fixed by the next video. That was just like a little side note. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe down below and let's get into it. So I've already washed my face and put moisturizer on. So now I'm gonna apply some primer. I know I've said in other makeup tutorials I've never had a primer, but I actually had one. It was just hiding underneath all my other makeup. So I do have the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer. So I've been using this to prime my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe Full Coverage Foundation in the color F2.30, and it's a matte color. And it's a matte, what's it, coverage, I guess, matte coverage, yeah. As you can tell, I'm really not a makeup artist. So I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be using my Beauty Blender to blend it out. For concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW04 in beige. So I'm gonna let my foundation and concealer kind of dry on my face, and I'm gonna go to my eyebrows. So I'm gonna brush them out with a little spoolie, and then of course I'm gonna be using this Smoke Shadow shade in my Tartelette in Blue palette. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Powder. Next, for eyes, I like to keep it pretty simple, so I'll curl my eyelashes and then I'll line my top eyelash line with the Mina 24-hour pen eyeliner, and then line my bottom lash line with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Corrupt. It's like a brown color. And then on my top eyelashes, I like to use the Maybelline Last Sensational mascara, and on the bottom I like to do the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. So I know there's like 4 different products, but it works really well for me. Next, I will add some bronzer. So I used a Lancome Star Bronzer Natural Glow in 02 Solaire. Looks like that. And it's just like a nice little bronze. Also, sorry for like the light that shine across my face, or that's been shining throughout this video. It's just from like my blinds right next to me, so I apologize. Then I'll apply some highlighter. So I use the Ellen Tracy Bronzing Trio, and then use like the light shade a little bit mixed with the light bronze shade. And that's about it for the makeup tutorial. I will normally just put like some lip balm on my lips just to keep it all natural. But this is a finished makeup look. It's just very simple and doesn't take very long at all. Maybe it takes me like 10 minutes when I do actually do it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye!